Look at that, wow.
Okay, what have we got here today? We've got a brand new
Look at that, wow.
142 litre chest freezer, colour black. One only, $299 with its full 3-year warranty. Only problem with it is the carton damage, which I'll show you. It won't affect it at all, unless you really like the carton to be in perfect condition.
Look at that, wow.
A little bit of busted foam, big deal. $299 with a 3-year warranty for a brand new chest freezer. Here's the model.
Show me what you got, so confident. Look at me.
It's a hybrid as well, so it can be a fridge or a freezer. So need a bargain? Grab this chest freezer.